We didn't know what we were getting into when we bought this home nearly 6 years ago, but there was just something about it, covered in trees with a crumbling walkway that said, "This is your home." We jumped right into the huge renovation, day after day through sun, rain, and snow. We took everything apart, then slowly started putting the house back together while growing our family. I was pregnant with our second daughter, Anna, and our then toddler, Ruby, was our buddy as we tackled demo projects and met with contractors. When we moved in, it instantly felt like our home. Stagg Reno became our safe place, our sanctuary, where we shared some of the best moments of our lives. We added in little Vivi, and to our 3 little girls, this is the only house they have memories of. They've played endless hours in the yard and garden, and we've truly lived our best lives in every square inch. The halls hold the memories of giggles and happiness for our family, and we will be forever grateful for our Stagg Reno. Now, a new family will make cherished memories of their own here.